Welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy corner for inspiring kitchen ideas and creative design tips. Whether you love warm terracotta tones or sleek modern styles, we're here to bring beauty and function into your kitchen, no matter the size. Let's make your cooking space truly special together. A contemporary kitchen with terracotta walls and gray stone floors feels inviting and cozy despite its tiny space. The earthy tones balance modern minimalism with rustic charm, creating a warm, peaceful vibe perfect for relaxed home cooking and quiet moments of inspiration. Every detail speaks comfort. This small kitchen's mix of terracotta walls and gray stone tiles adds an instant rustic warmth matched with sleek, modern cabinetry. The compact design cleverly uses space, making cooking joyful and efficient. Soft lighting and natural accents create a welcoming nook, perfect for slow mornings and heartfelt meals. The dusty warmth of terracotta blends beautifully with the cool gray stone in this tiny kitchen. Open shelves show off artisanal pottery against smooth cabinets, creating a casual yet refined feel. It's a space where simplicity meets elegance, inviting creativity without overwhelming. Smooth gray floors pair perfectly with textured terracotta in this compact kitchen, where matte white cabinets add a crisp backdrop. The concrete countertop and natural pottery accents bring subtle character, creating a balanced setting that's functional, stylish, and warm enough for every day of home life. Muted beige cabinets and terracotta walls team up with cool gray flooring to make this tiny kitchen both chic and cozy. Pendant lights with matte black fixtures add a modern touch to the rustic palette, while a small herb garden adds fresh life, making the space truly special. Light terracotta walls and deep gray stone floors give this small kitchen a grounded, earthy feel. Matte gray cabinets with black accents add modern flair, while a tiny butcher block island invites simple meals and conversation. The space feels intimate but effortless. This earth-toned kitchen with terracotta walls and gray stone floors is all about quiet, natural beauty. Soft gray cabinetry and woven baskets soften the sleek lines, while potter's touches bring warmth, transforming a tiny kitchen into a calm oasis for inspired cooking. Deep terracotta walls and rugged gray stone floors set an urban industrial mood in this tiny kitchen. Flat panel cabinets and black steel frames add clean lines, while terracotta pottery and earth tones keep the space inviting. It's a perfect balance of rough and refined in a small footprint. With gentle terracotta walls and cool gray floors, this compact kitchen feels fresh yet grounded. Natural wood open shelves display simple, warm ceramics, while under-cabinet lighting adds a soft glow. It's a place where every corner invites calm and comfort in a modern setting. Burnt terracotta walls and smooth granite floors build a warm base for dark charcoal cabinets in this tiny kitchen. Open shelves showcase textured wood and terracotta pots, merging rustic charm with modern minimalism. The space feels cozy, intimate, and endlessly inviting. Large limestone gray tiles contrast warmly with terracotta walls in this contemporary kitchen. Thin gray cabinets with black handles create sleek, practical storage. Terracotta pottery scattered on shelves adds a natural feel, making the small kitchen glow with understated elegance and warmth. Matte terracotta walls and polished basalt floors create a stunning backdrop for minimalist gray cabinetry. Black fixtures add contrast and shape the visual flow. Natural fiber baskets and terracotta ceramics on floating shelves complete a cozy, inviting kitchen that feels just right for quiet mornings. The rough terracotta stucco walls pair beautifully with gray stone floors and brass cabinet handles in this tiny kitchen. Marble countertops add quiet luxury amid warm, earthy textures. Small terracotta planters grace the windowsill, making this space a peaceful retreat, even in a limited footprint. Textured terracotta walls and smooth basalt floors create a warm, natural setting for minimalist stone gray cabinets. Matte finishes and black faucets add sophistication, while terracotta ceramics and natural baskets add life. This small kitchen is functional and stylish, blending rustic charm with modern simplicity. Thanks for joining us today exploring cozy kitchens with terracotta walls and gray stone floors. If you enjoyed these design ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your favorite styles and any kitchen tips you want to share.